Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we're introducing our commercial cantilever support bracket. Our commercial cantilever support bracket is perfect for supporting wall-hung computer labs, bank reception counters, or other commercial projects when heavy-duty support is required. Federal Brace commercial-grade products provide solutions that meet your needs, and the commercial cantilever support is up for your challenges with a carrying capacity of 500 pounds per bracket. Installation is easy. So decorate your space with form and function in beautifully crafted, confident support. Thanks for watching. For more product information and made in the USA innovation from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out federalbrace.com. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.